So I recently picked up the subwoofer box for the Ram 1500. I have this in a quad cab, and I did have to make one modification to make this fit. And basically, you might not have to deal with this, but I had the fold flat floors, so I did have to remove those, and I was very happy with the fitment. I was a little worried that we weren't going to be able to get around this little bracket, but it actually worked out fine. Now, the one thing I will say is it doesn't come with any mounting brackets. It's just sitting here, and it does feel pretty solid. So eventually I might get a metal bracket that'll connect to here to there. And here's what the underside of the box looks like. Now, something else I do want to mention, if you guys are using these Skar subwoofers, you will have to make a little bit of a cut on the box, but it wasn't a big deal. I just got my jigsaw out and I was able to cut out these little spots for this specific sub, and it fits perfectly now. So I can't really show you guys music here on Amazon, but I will say the box sounds pretty nice as well. It's not going to be like a giant ported box, but it gets the job done. And with these subs, because they are so tall, they do slightly hit the top of the seat. So if I'm blasting my music, it will hit the seat. But normally I just keep this up anyways, just to have more room to throw some tools back here and maybe even my dogs. The carpet's really nice as well, and this is just some insulation that I threw in there when I mounted the subs. And overall, really happy with this box. So if you guys are looking for something for your Ram 1500, this is a really cool one to look into, and that's it for my really quick review.